Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2020 ATX 22 Type S. And guys, this is a really awesome surf and wake boat, and I just kind of want to show you a lot of key features on here. Let's go ahead and take a walk around. So first off the bat, starting back here at the stern, you can notice you have a really nice swim platform on here, making it easy to load up your skis, load up your wakeboard, or wherever the case may be. Now, few key features I want to point out here is we have the TAPS 3 tab system, which is really unique and easy to operate, and I will show you that momentarily. We also have this fresh air exhaust, blows all those fumes down into the prop wash so that the rider is not getting any fumes in his face, which is very important, especially for surfing. Now, as you look on the back platform here, you notice we got some padded backs here, which is not a super common thing to have on a ski boat, and be able to comfortably sit on the back here and have included cup holders as well. Now, to be your kind of your resolution to your rear view mirror, you have a rear view camera on this boat, making it really easy to monitor your rider and just make it to where you don't have to look around nearly as much when you're actually operating the boat. But from here, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. All right, guys, starting right back here, I just want to point out the MarineMax material we have placed all over this boat, and it just gives it a really nice aesthetic look, and it also keeps the temperature down for when you're standing on these platforms. Let's go ahead and step a little further into the boat here so we can explain a lot of key features. So starting right here at the stern, I want to point out what's powering this thing. If we open up these compartments, we have our little dry storage area here, easily to dry off any life jackets or any kind of water stuff that you guys need dried off. But the motor package that we have on here is a 6.2 liter, 400 horsepower motor. This provides so much power for getting that nice hole shot out of the water for whatever sport you'll be doing. So great combination package for power. Now, another thing, I want you to focus on these ballast bags that we have mounted both in the port and starboard side on this boat here at the stern. All right, guys, so talking about the seating on this boat, as you can see, we have the very nice wraparound wake style seating here. So you have your spotter's bench off to your port side here. You can set up different seating configurations on here that I'll show you here momentarily. And have just a lot of room on this boat, as it's fit for 18 people and max capacity, which is just insane on a boat like this. Great feature about this boat is we have our integrated battery switch inside the boat off to the port side, so we could easily turn on and off the boat so that we can start or end the day. Now, as we come over here to our digital display, I want to show you guys how easy it is to operate this boat. And just by a click of a button, you can start whatever sport it is that you're going to be doing. So let's say that we wanted to go out and we wanted to surf. All I would do is click that surf option, click to go, and we're ready to surf. It's literally as easy as that. You have a target speed where all you do is push down the throttle and we're ready to go, and it sets everything for you. So as you can see here, makes everything super easy. So now let's talk about the stereo on this boat, as music is a very important thing to boating, as it is for all of us. So right over here, it's all integrated into the same touch screen you would use to operate the boat. Now, as far as the speakers that we have on this boat, so we have two placed up here in our bow, which are rear facing to provide all that sound to us. We have two more that are midship, as well as a included subwoofer, giving you that nice throaty sound. Two more additional back here on the stern seating. And then, of course, we have the two bullet speakers on the tower, providing all that noise back to our skier. All right, guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax. If this is a boat that you'd like to hear more information about, please contact us at 803-831-2101. Thank you guys so much for watching.